careful.
It is wobbling like mad.
Oh.
Dad, no.
Very careful.
Keep Poppy away then.
Alright.
Nice one.
Nails went in there, Poppy.
Yeah.